afternoon everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tshidi, Radebe, back on screens once again. And in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I basically made this right here as a hot oil treatment, but I wanted to make it to have like a lot of benefits. So without any further ado, let's get right into today's video. We are starting this video in the bathroom, and I'm just gonna be washing my face, getting, waking up. You guys can tell I'm still very much sleepy in this part of the video. I'm still trying to wake myself up. And then I am trying this vitamin C from Fundamentals. I think the South African brand. And yeah, so it's just vitamin C. It's pure vitamin C, ascorbic acid, and it's lightweight. It melts into your skin, and it doesn't leave like an oily residue on top of your skin. It leaves a very much like a serum feeling. And then I go in with my CeraVe lotion. You guys did see I clarified with my CeraVe cleanser, and then I'm gonna move into my Derma Opal sunscreen. The white cast the sunscreen leaves is like, it fades away. I promise. You guys will see after I massage it into my skin, it fades away. So it kind of like melts onto your skin, and then there we go. I'm feeling a little bit alive, okay? But we first need breakfast. So we are gonna have a wrap: lettuce, red cabbage, black beans, eggs, and yeah. So that is my wrap that I actually made myself. I made a healthy wrap, you guys. Oh my gosh, I am such a DIY queen. Anyway, the wraps were definitely high in fiber. So here, I'm just showing you guys how I write the formula of the white oil treatment. I'm here just calculating how much, the percentage of each ingredient I might need. And then, so basically this is how I write up all my formulas. And this is the first time I do this one, so obviously I'm working from scratch, trying to see what might not work, but I don't have an idea of what I think it might look like. The oils you're going to use is grapeseed oil from African Curiosity, sweet almond oil from the same company, baobab oil, and shea butter. All of these products you can get from African Curiosity. The link will be in my description box. I've already went ahead to measure all my oils. So in my beaker, there are 3 types of oils, and then I'm gonna add the botanical pack that you guys are gonna get if you place an order on my website. It has some good stuff in there, but I'll get into the ingredients in just a second. And then on the side, I have some polar wax, shea butter, and coconut oil, which is the star of the show. And then I just put them on the stove. The botanicals, I left them in the heat for like an hour so they can infuse properly. And then you guys can see here they have some particles because my sieve was just not sieving. But anyway, because it's for home use and it's the first time I tried, it's okay. But if I were to sell this, I wouldn't ensure that it's nice and clear. And then I'm just gonna package that in my glass container, put it in the fridge, put it in the fridge, and then you should end up with something like this, nice and creamy and white and thick. Super excited to use. Already seen how I created and all that kind of stuff, so I definitely wanted it to have some botanical benefits in this hot oil treatment, and I wanted it to have a lot of coconut oil because I love coconut oil as a hot oil treatment, only because it's like a nice light, thin, penetrative oil that actually works well with any hair type. And also I decided to put polar wax in this, and the reason for the polar wax is because polar wax is actually an ingredient that you use to basically combine water and oil together, basically make sure that they don't separate. But when you use it in a butter like this, or like a pomade or something like that, it like heavily conditions your hair. It hydrates and conditions your hair. So this is like perfect because my hair is extremely dry, and today I wanted to do a hot oil treatment on dry hair. So I wanted to do a traditional hot oil treatment instead of me shampooing, hot oiling, and then deep conditioning. But I made enough for about maybe 3 or if not 2.5. I'm testing this out. Maybe we will put it out there for you guys. But just like the clove butter definitely has my stamp of approval. I absolutely love it. I think it's something that a lot of people could actually benefit from, should I decide, not even should I, once I actually create it for you guys. You did see that I used most of the oils and the shea butters that are available on African Curiosity, which is my brand, in case you do not know. I will leave, you know, all the information in the description box of the website where you guys can place your order. Let me show you guys how it looks right now. It has settled, but oh, it melts right onto your skin. My hair has been extremely dry as of late because I haven't been moisturizing, therefore I definitely got like a ton of dandruff. Comment down below if you actually suffer from dandruff, and then I can make like a specific video on how you can combat that. But I'm just going to show you guys the state in which my hair is in. Very dry. You guys can tell that it has zero life left in it, and hence why I wanted to incorporate the hot oil treatment as my first step in my wash day instead of it being my middle step. The reason why I use the ingredients that I use here is because polar wax actually is a ingredient that ensures that water and oil come together. They don't separate. But if you use it in other ways, it actually conditions your hair and it hydrates your hair. So this is amazing for your hair. So I absolutely love that one particular ingredient, and it works as a thickener. So you guys will see when I rub the product on my skin, it leaves like a milky like residue. That's because you know, the shea butter and the polar wax work together to just thicken up the product. And yeah, and then in terms of the botanicals, I have some thyme in there. So we've got thyme, we've got rosemary, we have dried rose petals, and hibiscus. I can't remember, there's one more herb I'm forgetting. Nitali, I think Nitali, I'm not sure that's how you pronounce it, but we also have that in there. I have discussed most of these botanicals in depth in my previous videos. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go check out my herbal tea rinse video, and I go in depth in terms of the benefits of using this. I definitely wanted to infuse the oil because at the end of the day, I think most of us, especially those who watch my channel, are DIY queens. So like I mentioned in my previous video when I was talking about my brand, I definitely want a brand that continues to support you on your natural hair journey, and that's why I provide with you guys with like raw ingredients so that you can be able to actually create what you might have in mind, and I'll be happy to help where I can. So basically this is how my hair looks like. You guys can tell the difference. Look just how this video started with my hair looking so dry and it already looking like it's like healthy and like revitalized already is insane. Just shows you the amount of like the power each ingredient has and what it does. Also, baobab oil is definitely the queen of oils, but I have to give it to coconut oil in terms of penetration, and it makes most of the formula. It's like 35% of this formula. So yeah, so I'm just going to wrap my hair, and that is literally it. I will see you guys in my next video where I show you guys and reveal how my hair actually looks like. Okay, my peeps, so basically I am done with my hair. This is how I'm gonna leave it. I'm going to ensure that all the products that, you know, are gonna get marinated into my hair, you know, go right into my hair strands. I'm gonna go to the gym a bit later. I think I'll wear like a duke when I go to the gym for tonight, or like a cap or something, and then sleep with this on and wash it out tomorrow. This is how much shedding I got. I know why I got this much shedding. I was not as consistent on my moisturizing and I stressed a bit last week, so I kind of paid for that. But I have been watching what I eat and my iron is still fine, thank goodness. But in terms of moisturizing my hair, I was a bit shaky last week, and obviously you can tell that my shedding has definitely increased, but that's okay. We are sorting it out now and we're gonna be washing my hair, so that's all right. So the reason why I absolutely love this hot oil pomade thing, I don't even know what to call it, is that it reduces the amount of mess that you would get from a hot oil treatment. I know, and you guys know this too, when you do a hot oil treatment, you need to have hot water, you need to dump your bottle of oil in it, and you need to, you know, shake it out. You must wipe out the oil so that, you know, when you face the bottle down, the water doesn't you know, become in contact with the oil. This is just so solid. This is solid. It provides you with control. Your walls are not going to get messy, because we all know hot oils be doing that, and then it like comes out, you know, it's messy. Okay, it's really, really messy, and I think that's one of the reasons why I actually stopped doing hot oil treatments, because I find them to be really, really, really messy, honestly speaking. And I feel like I will be remaking this, obviously, like I always do with most of the stuff, just to see if I'm going to be getting a lot of benefits. But this has a ton of benefits. I mean, we've got some good oils in here, and we've got botanicals, so I don't think that yeah, I definitely think this is like one of those win products. It does remain like a butter. It doesn't, you know, slip out. It's not wet. It actually looks like an actual butter. Let me show you. It behaves like a butter, but it's extremely lightweight. And the second it comes in contact with your hands, because your hands are warm, it will melt and become nice and thin. So you guys must let me know if this is maybe a product you guys might be interested in. Honestly, you guys saw I just kind of drew up the formula with you guys. I was just testing it out, but I actually kind of like how it turned out, which just kind of shows that my skills are definitely improving when coming to product formulation. But yeah, so I don't want to make this video too long. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. So what I'm gonna do is, if I don't come and show you guys this, I will show it in my next video, and we're gonna be testing out a hair mask from a interesting brand that I picked up from Clicks. So thank you guys so much for watching, and you know, if you want to know where to get your products, African Curiosity the link of the website will be in the description box. So yeah, see you guys for the next one, and bye for now.